Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is the first video that you're coming across with me. I'm Brick here, and today I'm just gonna install this hair. It's from Unice hair off the Amazon collection. I'll make sure you guys get all that information down in the description box below. But I'm just gonna jump right into me installing this wig. Alright you guys, so I'm just gonna glue this down. I didn't really get to flat iron it because I don't have my correct flat irons. I got these flat irons, which are my friend's flat irons. They're not really getting their hair straight as my other flat irons will be getting it. But it's fine. It's fine. This is what it look like. Okay, so I did bleach these knots because this wig did come with a like the fake out scalp in the hair, and like they sewed in like a cap inside the wig, but it wasn't my skin color, so like it didn't match my scalp. It didn't match. So I just took it out and bleached the knots. I'm gonna insert a clip to show you guys what it looked like, because I'm gonna end up taking it out. I'm gonna show y'all how I took it out. Basically just clip thread. They use like this this clear like plastic thread to glue it down, but I'm just trying to get my wig flat. On flat. Then I'm also gonna tie it down after I glue it. I'm already coming together. Say nah. Nah, I'm really coming into form. Say nah. Who know what I got that for? She like, nah, I'm really coming into form. Like what? If you know what I'm talking about, make sure you comment down below, because that junk is hilarious. Okay guys, so I don't normally put on a wig cap because I don't feel the need to, because like this is fine for me. I'm actually might put some makeup right here because it don't look like how I want it to look. I might throw a little makeup right there, but we'll see after this is all glued down. So I'm gonna just brush this off to the back. Okay, let's see how this. I don't have a mirror. I'm doing it off my camera, so this is gonna be weird. And I haven't really glued down a wig in a while, so I gotta remember where I put. Oh yeah, y'all know I'm using boho. what I always use. I just use the end of this comb to get the glue. I'm really trying to just put it just before my edges. Like, I don't want it to touch my edges. I forgot to brush them back. What the heck? I really forgot to brush back my edges. What's it? So I just gotta be extra careful when I'm taking this off, when I want to take my wig off, because I'm getting a little bit of glue on my edges. So, you know, alcohol takes it right off. Just be gentle. This wig is from, sorry, no, I'm just kidding. I am gonna tell y'all where it's from in a second, but I don't want to do it while I'm just putting this glue on my head. Okay, and I would just wait a little while for this to dry. Y'all smile all the time. Just relax, because I know. I think I just smiled because I was a little excited, because I can't wait to be a baddie again. Like, I can't wait to slay. So we're just gonna wait for this to dry a bit. I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so why did I just sound like that? All right, y'all, so I'm back, but since this dry, what I'm saying, let me relax, hold on. You guys, I'm back. All right, so look, since this side is dried up for real, I'm just about to glue it all down right now. Just pull this back down. Okay, so usually I go in with the comb like that, but it's glue on here, so I need another comb actually. I feel like getting down, so I'm gonna use these tweezers like right here and just like go through, place this down. Like I said, I'm gonna put makeup right here in this area. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Hold on, y'all, cause I need to pin my hair back. Yeah, we just use a ponytail holder. Oh wait, I got a clip. Alright, we put our hair back. I'm just gonna cut this lacy lace off and say goodbye. I can't believe I'm doing this off my phone. Okay. I'm just cutting all, like, you know, you gotta cut it all ragged and crazy. So I'm just doing that, you know. cut around my ear. You know, it's not that much around my ear. Ooh, make sure I'm not cutting my hair. Go this back down. Okay. I'll do the other side. I'll try to comb this. Yeah, that's gonna dry up, y'all. So don't even mind that. Please don't even mind that. It's gonna dry up. Alright, let's cut this side. So this side I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm gonna clean it up with alcohol, obviously. But I will do that later. Oh, it's here mine. I feel like I just cut a whole bunch of hair off. Did I? Alright, we'll see in a second. I'm gonna comb it out. Okay. Alright, whatever. So let's see if I just cut off a chunk of hair. It's not that bad. It's about the, ooh, that's about normal. Okay. This hair all over me. All right, so let's finish gluing this down. Gotta shake all that hair off of it. Let's fold this down. Haha, it just stayed like, yes, it's behaving. Doing what it's supposed to be doing. All right, let me hurry up and glue this down. I mean, tie it down like this. Okay, so now that I just tied it down, I'm just about to hop in the shower, get dressed, and I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna finish up. It's not much left to do, but you guys gonna see the final results. Okay, so I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I'm actually in a little rush because I was supposed to didn't have left. Second now, let me hurry up. Okay, let me take this off. Oh, I need to get the alcohol. Okay, hold up. It's like, okay, no, for real, I need to clean this up a bit, like right there. I need to put some makeup on it, low key. Okay, so here's my alcohol that I need to fix. I just got this sticky glue off my forehead. Alright. Alright, that's good enough. It's really like right here for real. Okay, so got that. Here's my makeup. Y'all know this is just some simple makeup. Like, I don't know what this is. It's mineral powder by Kiss. It's just some cheapo makeup that I got from my local beauty supply. I'm just gonna put it on that one part right here. I'm just gonna put it at the beginning of my part right there. Like right here. Oh, that's real thorough right there. Get a little more. Alright y'all, so this is gonna have to do. I'm gonna flat iron it a little more. This hair is off Unice hair from Amazon. I'm gonna make sure I leave everything down below in the description. Like all the hair details will be in the description, okay? So make sure you guys check that out. Ask me any type of questions you want. This is my first day wearing a wig. I'll try to keep you guys updated. Just comment down below, like no matter what time it was, I'll respond so you guys can know. I'm gonna keep this wig on my head for a little bit though. I had Unice hair before. I love it. Like, it's good. When I bleached the knots and stuff, it was no shedding. When I was brushing it out and blow drying it, no shedding. I don't know, it's just a good wig. The only thing is you gotta bleach your own knots. If the scalp part doesn't match your skin complexion, which it didn't for me, so I had to bleach my own knots, which wasn't a problem. I'm just trying to make sure it's just flat, because you know, it can't have no type of lumps in it. It needs to look natural. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, like the video, comment, and subscribe. Okay, because if you watch this up to this point and you're not subscribed, so let me stop playing. But if you watch this far, you might as well subscribe. Like, keep up with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.